The wheelchair taxi company has wanted an application which must then be fast, contain today view, and to be able to create, modify and view jobs easily. At the moment, this application is still at prototype stage, but already meets most of those requirements. For example, as I load the page, the planner populates instantly, which meets the speed requirements. While it's not hooked up to a main database system at the moment, the speed should not be that much slower, as the app only needs to deal with the jobs for the wheelchair taxi company instead of every company which uses Taxi Hub. We also see here each job on the planner has a summary on its current time slot. If we go to this job, we can see that it's too short to show all the information. To ensure the controller can view everything without having to navigate to another page, the controller needs to hover over the job for an overlay to show. This resizes itself according to the minimum size that is needed for the data. If the controller wishes to dismiss the overlay, they can do so by clicking anywhere on the screen which isn't a link. The controllers can also access a contextual menu by right-clicking anywhere on the screen. From here, they can refresh the jobs and add a new job. Here, they can specify the pickup and drop-off location, duration of the journey, passenger's name and number of passengers, date, time, contract type, driver, and notes of the job. The controller can then add a job as live, draft a job, cancel the booking, or reset the information. I am now going to add a live job. As we see here, the new job has been added to the planner. I am now going to add a draft job. If I go to the draft tab, you can see the job I just created without seeing any of the other live jobs. In future, you'd be able to edit the jobs by right-clicking and selecting Edit. You will also be able to add new jobs on the 5-minute mark by right-clicking and selecting Add here. I am now going to move to the mobile app. This is just a prototype of how it's going to look, as my clients and I are still discussing how it's going to work fully. This app is considerate of drivers' mobile data. Previously, my client has had to upgrade his data plan due to how much Taxi Hub was using. To save data, my current app loads up 3 jobs on startup. As the driver scrolls through their jobs, the app loads up another 3, and so on. This way, it only loads as many as is needed. This also keeps the app running fast, as it contains only what it needs to in memory, and only requests the server for a few jobs at a time, compared to 1,000 jobs every time. This brings us to the end of the screencast. Thank you for watching.